Assalamualaikum friends, here is Victor logo pack for eSport. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. And iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Sheri SK page, follow this. And last is Sheri SK official Telegram channel. Okay, so here is AI and EPS file for Adobe Illustrator logo. You can add it in Adobe Illustrator. For example, open this. You see, you can change anything. Okay, that's mean these files are fully editable. Okay, change color. Head color is going black. Oh, are going red. Depend your own choice. You can change one by one. And monster, here is Bumby Sport logo, and here is head, and here is a butterfly. AI and APS, read me first. Download this font before using it. You need this font. Just copy link and paste in your browser. Wow, horns. Okay, commander. You know about Commandos game? My favorite game, Commandos, but when I was child. Cowboy, Crusher. So you can add it one by one in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, I say again, these files are protected password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care, Allah Hafiz.